my students, my name is Monica Agarwal. I am a physics lecturer since last 8 years. As you all know, our HSC Board 2021 are going to start from 23rd April and our physics exam is going to head on 3rd May. Are you worried? Yes or no? I am sure you must be. You know what? All these years I have seen that whenever the exam dates are near, all I hear is miss what to study, miss कुछ भी पढ़ाई अभी तक हुई नहीं है, हम कहाँ से पढ़े, प्लीज कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस दे दो. या कुछ बच्चे तो ऐसे होते हैं जो मुझे बोलते हैं मिस सब कुछ पढ़ के हो गया बट अभी कुछ याद ही नहीं है. So what we need to study at this last minute. So this year I thought to come up with a solution. So I have an application on Play Store in the name of Effortless Physics. In this application, I have launched a crash course of all the 16 chapters. In this crash course, I have not only explained the concept, but I have solved your major setback. हमेशा मुझे बच्चे बोलते हैं कि मिस कॉन्सेप्ट तो आता है बट एग्जाम में लिखना कितना है वो ही नहीं पता. तो मैंने हर एक चैप्टर का 1 से 1.5 घंटे का वीडियो बनाया है जिसमें मैंने सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया बट हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको लिखना कितना कंटेंट है वो भी आप लोगों को बताया गया है. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू गिव मी योर 25 days. In each day you have to give me 1 hour for the video and you have to keep the other hour for the self study. That means in just 50 hours you are going to complete the whole syllabus. And if you are going to follow this method, I can assure you that you are going to pass with flying colors. Instead, listen carefully, not only pass but you are going to pass with the best result. Even in the application, I have kept one chapter absolutely free. So you can download the app, sign in the application and enjoy the video. I am sure you are going to love it. Want to know the price for the crash course? The price for the crash course is just rupees 2000 for the complete 16 chapter. Isn't it great? Here I have one more good news for you. काफी बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको कॉन्सेप्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती है, जिनको सब कुछ आता है, उनको खाली नोट्स की जरूरत होती है. So you can even have the access for the notes. You can go in the application and buy the PDF. You can even buy single chapters. So grab it before it's too late. If you like my video, don't forget to share. Thank you.